Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to delete temporary files on WeChat and free up space on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your WeChat. So I'm going to click on here. Now, having opened up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon, your me icon right here. Click on it. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. So it take you right here. Next thing you can do is to simply go to general. Take you right here. Next thing you can do is to simply go to storage. So it's going to take you to all the storage occupied by WeChat. So right here, I have about 1.2 gig cache, and I have about 7.6 chat history. Then I have other data, about 643 megabytes. And now for me to get rid of all this, what I need to do is to simply click on clear storage. Then you have everything right here. Okay, I can simply click on this particular one right here. So you can uncheck any of the information that you don't want to delete, like chat history, which is 7.6 gig. I will retain that. Then you can also translate this particular page to be able to understand everything written here, most especially if you do not understand Chinese language. And for you to translate, you can simply make a screenshot of this page. Okay, then when you screenshot the page, you can make use of your WeChat also to do the translation. So just go back, back. Then what you can do here is to simply look for, then go to discover. Then the next thing you can do is to simply click on scan. Then the next thing you can do here is to simply click on translate. And the next thing you can do is to click on album. Then select the screenshot and wait for some minutes or seconds. Everything will be translated fully into your understanding language. So we have another language right here. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is to click and hold down. So I'm going to change to English language. I have to make sure I go back to my WeChat account. Go to click this. Then we have to simply go back to me. Then we have to go back to settings. Then we have to go to general. Then we have to choose translate. Then we have to change our language right here to understanding language. So I'm going to click on here. So I'm going to change the translate to English language. Then I'll click on done. Just like so. Then I'll simply go back and back. Then I'll have to go back to discover from here. Then I'll go to scan. Then I'll choose translate. Then I will simply click on album. Then I'll select the screenshots. So in a few seconds, it's going to translate it back to my understanding language, English language. So you can see right here. So here we have expression. We have WeChat channel. We have official account message template, web browsing plugin, mini app, etc. So what I'm going to do is to go back to my WeChat and select and uncheck some of the information I don't want to lose. So I don't want to lose my official account message template, web browsing, I don't care about that. WeChat channel, I don't want to lose that. WeChat moment, I don't want to lose that. So I need to retain this 3.3 megabytes, 2.5 megabytes, and I need to retain 103 megabytes, then 122 megabytes. Then I will get rid of the rest. It's as simple as that. Then I have to go back to my WeChat again. I have to go back to my WeChat, go back, then I have to go back to me, then I have to go back to settings, then I have to go back to general, then I have to go back to storage. So we have everything right here. Clear storage. So I want to retain this, and then I want to retain this, and then I want to retain this. I want to retain this. Then I will come down below here. I will click on clear the rest. Then take some time to clear cache. Please wait. So simply click on clear. Boom. About 900 and something megabytes was saved. Then it's as simple as that. So by the time we go back to the storage right here, if I refresh, you see that the storage cache has been drastically reduced to something like this. And if you still want to clear some information, you can clear your chat history. If you would like to clear your chat history, you can also come down below here to see if you have some other data you want to clear. It's as simple as that. So this is how to delete temporary files on WeChat and free up space on your phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use WeChat. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.